Now, the second type of pickup is going to be a FedEx or a UPS pickup. If you have a cylinder head, UPS will come by to pick up the cylinder head. If you have a transfer case or a smaller manual transmission, most likely FedEx will be coming to pick it up. Now, depending on where your unit was shipped from, your unit may actually contain the label for return. So when you get your unit, check and see if you have a packet like this in the crate. You should always be looking at any paperwork that comes inside the crate. But some of our facilities have started to include FedEx return labels with the paperwork. And if that is the case with your unit, then it'll look exactly like this. You'll have your yellow invoice, and stapled to that invoice will be a FedEx label. You can either call FedEx to schedule this pickup, or you can take your unit to a FedEx location and simply just drop it off. Now, if your unit did not come with this label, that's okay. Some of them don't. What will happen after you submit your request and you get that confirmation email that says, yes, we've received your request for core pickup, you're going to want to keep an eye on your email for an email from FedEx. The email will not come from us. Again, the email will come from FedEx. That email that you receive from FedEx has the rest of your instructions, whether you choose to schedule a pickup or whether you choose to take it to a FedEx drop-off location is completely up to you. Again, we will need the tracking number and we will need confirmation that this unit is in transit after they pick up or after you drop off.